people who are joining Trinamool family in Goa, they are either grassroots political activists or they are associated with community development programs or they are involved in the administration of local panchayat bodies and municipal bodies. And this is significant because the Trinamool's outreach has actually involved going almost to all the villages and areas of Goa. And this is based on the premise, Trinamool premise of reaching out to people and charting out the framework of a welfare state which is going to deliver very directly in order to empower people and to improve life.
पाइक देवता से यही प्रार्थना करो कि गोवा में एक स्वस्थ सरकार हो, सुशासन हो, भ्रष्टाचार बंद हो और गोवा के लोग और प्रगति की ओर जाएं, यही प्रार्थना है मेरी भगवान से।